In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Airtable. If you want an easy way to collect information from other people without giving them direct access to your base, Airtable forms are a great option. They let you gather responses in a clean, simple format, and each submission can automatically become a new record in your table. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for creating a form view inside Airtable. To begin, open an Airtable base. This is a workspace where your table and data already live, and it's where your form will be connected. When someone fills out the form later, their responses will flow into this base, so make sure you're opening the correct one before moving forward. Taking a moment here to confirm that you're in the right base can save time and prevent submissions from ending up in the wrong place. Once your base is open, look for the option to create something new and click on Create New. This is the starting point for adding a new view to the table. Airtable offers different ways to display and interact with your data, and forms are one of those view types. By choosing to create something new, you're telling Airtable that you want to add another way to work with the information in your base. After that, click on Form. This tells Airtable that instead of creating a grid, calendar, gallery, or another layout, you want to build a form specifically designed for collecting responses. Forms are especially useful when you need clients, teammates, or users to submit information in a structured way. It also helps reduce mistakes because people are entering data through fields you control. Next, click on Create a Form View. This will generate the form inside your Airtable base and give you a starting structure based on the fields already in your table. From there, Airtable prepares the form so you can begin reviewing how it will appear and how submissions will be captured, and that's the core process for creating a form in Airtable. You open your base, choose Create New, select Form, and then create the form view. Once the form view has been created, you're ready to continue customizing it inside Airtable as needed. This is a quick and practical way to turn your existing table into a shareable form for collecting organized information.